Have you found that low-cost flashlight suppliers are easy to find, but a truly reliable high-quality supplier is much harder to come by? So what should you look for when choosing the right flashlight manufacturing partner? First, look for consistency. A reliable supplier should not only produce an impressive sample, they should deliver the same quality across every production batch. At TANK007, key processes from product design and engineering to assembly testing and quality control are managed in-house. This gives us greater control over product performance and helps us maintain consistent quality. Next, consider how the supplier approaches cost. A lower price may seem attractive, but not when it comes at the expense of materials, components, manufacturing processes, or quality inspection. At TANK007, we do not cut corners. Our goal is not simply to help customers pay less when purchasing, to save a few cents in production. It is to help them earn more in the market through reliable products, fewer after-sales issues, and a stronger brand reputation. The right supplier should also have the engineering capability to solve problems, not just manufacture existing designs. With our own R&D team and more than 20 years of industry experience, we support product development, structural engineering, electronic design, and customized OEM and ODM projects. Reliable quality must also be supported by dependable production and delivery. Our experienced manufacturing team and controlled production processes help keep quality stable and orders on schedule. Today, our monthly production capacity exceeds 200,000 units. For professional applications, industry knowledge matters just as much as manufacturing capability. TANK007 was one of the early manufacturers in China to develop professional UV flashlights. We understand how wavelength, optical performance output, and stability affect real-world detection results. Our UV solutions support applications including industrial inspection, non-destructive testing, leak detection, fluorescence detection, UV curing, and gemstone identification. TANK007 is a national high-tech enterprise and an authorized supplier of law enforcement equipment to China's Ministry of Public Security. Our products are now exported to more than 60 countries and regions worldwide. Choosing the right flashlight supplier is not simply about finding the lowest price. It is about finding a partner that can protect your quality, delivery, reputation, and long-term profitability. If you are looking for a professional flashlight manufacturer, welcome to TANK007.